What's going on, Frankie gang? It's your boy Frankie. I'm having a Frankie day. I'm doing it Frankie's way, and I hope you're doing the same. But look at this. Look how she looking. It's raining out here. You know, this bipolar weather, you gotta love it. Snow one day, rain the next day. 50 degrees today, it's supposed to be 30 degrees tomorrow. I don't know. But anyways, so as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm getting more lighting done on the Q60. Man, my tent is super dark. Man, bro, if y'all not following the Instagram, man, go ahead and follow that Instagram, Frankie's Way. Shoot me a DM, be like, hey, I came from YouTube, so I know to follow y'all back. If not, I may follow you back, I may not, but if your page is private, I usually don't follow those guys back. But anyways, if you're from YouTube, hit me up in a DM, but follow me at Frankie's Way, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Yeah, so we getting interior lighting done. You know, much like the stars, we're gonna get the footwells done today. The reason I'm doing this, truthfully, is because I want to lighten up my tent a little bit. So as y'all know, y'all seen my car from the outside. If you haven't checked out the tent video, make sure you go check that out. So what I want to be able to do is, like, if my windows are rolled up completely, it doesn't look as dark in here. So I can just turn on the starlight headliner and the footwell lights, and it'll brighten up the tent a little bit. That way, like, you know, when I'm cruising, I ain't got to necessarily worry about police officers and nothing like that. But, you know, it's just a little touch, and it looks cool. You know what I'm saying? I had a Maximum before this. Y'all know that. I had the footwell lights in there, and I always thought it was like a cool little feature. I'm actually getting it done by Tyler. Y'all remember Tyler? He's the guy who did the starlight headliner for me. So he's actually going to take care of the footwell lighting for me as well. It makes sense just have one guy to, you know, do one specific job for you. That way the quality is consistent, the job is consistent. Anyways, I'm gonna hit the road. If I see anything interesting on the road, obviously I'll show it to y'all. But it's about 30 minutes away from where I'm at now, so I'll probably pick up the camera once I get there. But yeah, stay tuned, man. This should be a pretty straightforward install. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself by saying that, but hopefully it does go smooth, because your boy is tired. It's 5:41. I've been up since 4 in the morning. So yeah, man, let's get to it. I see y'all when I see y'all. All right, guys, just got to Tyler's place. We already opened the kit. So we went with the diode dynamic. You know, I don't know too much about all that, but that's what he recommended. So he's already in here doing his thing. So I'll keep you guys updated. Like I said, it'll be pretty straightforward. It won't be too interesting in the vlog, but I'll show you obviously the before. It's dark, and then I'll show you guys the after. Maybe some mid shots. Jeez, that is bright. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. That looks good. Okay. You're now watching a master at work. And look at that. You can already see the purple matching the headliner. Of course, it's RGB. You know, I can change the colors to whatever I want, but
RGW.
LGBTQT. No, but this side isn't done yet, so he's still strapping up the other side. Nearly done though. Jeez. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That looks so clean. Matches the starlight headliner as well. Jeez. He knocked this out in probably 20 minutes.
No way.
My dog Tyler, man.
Yeah, maybe a half hour.
All right, okay, fine.
Half hour,
All right,
half
I was
hour.
being
Okay,
modest.
half hour.
Maybe a half hour. But if you guys are local within, what would you say, 30, 45 minutes?
Doesn't matter. I've had people come for a couple hours.
Yeah, so honestly, hit him up. He does great work. He's straightforward. He recommends great product. Look at this. I mean, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. I'll put all his information in the link below. Also, I'll put it on the screen so you guys hit him up, follow him. Show him some love, man. He has a sick build too, so stay tuned. 2022 is gonna be great. Sheesh. All right, gang, just get back to the crib. As you can see, it's dark, obviously. But this is how I look from the outside of the tent. So I got 20% tent all the way around. So it somewhat brightened it up from certain angles. But I mean, yeah, you can see the stars through the tent. Obviously, you could always see that. But like from the eyes view, like you can see in the car. It does lighten up the car a whole lot. So I feel like if a cop does pull up next to me or, you know, in front of me, they won't think nothing of it. Hopefully it is picking it up on camera because it's dark, but yeah, it does brighten it up quite a bit, honestly, inside of there. So I don't even know if y'all can see that at all, but it looks good. Shout out to my boy Tyler, man. Focus Customs always coming through in the clutch. But I'll open the door for y'all. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Nothing y'all haven't seen before. But I just think it really complements each other. Maybe I still need to do the ambient lighting too, but yeah. So that's what it's looking like, dog. Sheesh. Cool lights, dog. That was my fresh kick impression. Was that good? Probably not. Oh, look at the stars. But anyways, just pulled up to Eddie's crib. Not gonna dox him. Don't want to show his address, but just pulled up to Eddie's crib. So y'all know what that means. 85% bullshitting, 10% talking about future plans for the cars, and 5% actually working on the cars. So it's always a good time when we show up to Eddie's crib. Also, I gotta show y'all the finished garage. I think he's done painting or whatever. So I'm gonna have to show y'all that too. But all right, let me text him, let him know I'm outside. Yo, so we're in Eddie's crib, and of course he's doing some drastic shit. Last week it was painting. This week it's fucking wrapping his bumper.
Yeah.
It looks sick though, I'm not gonna lie.
It's not done yet. I messed up. Well, I messed up in the beginning. I thought my best route was to start in the middle, work my way out, go up, then down. But after doing that, the next time I do it, I'm definitely not doing it that way because these corners in the bottom were so hard.
All these?
You can see I had to cut them spots, but like, I don't know if I should do the bottom or not.
No, definitely don't do the bottom. Fill in the white spots, and that's fire. Yeah. Yeah, that I like that. Alright, gang, so we decided to just leave like the little black strip and leave the bottom white. I think that looked crazy. But look how clean his car is, bro. Like, I'm trying to get a good angle, but sheesh. And then peep this. You see the wheels and then the Infiniti logo. And he painted that black. So this is the painting he was doing last weekend. It turned out crazy. Does it fit?
Yeah, dude, I don't know if the 12s are gonna fit. Well, you might have to see.
You're definitely gonna be scraping paint.
Nah. My niches were closer.
You don't see.
With the
It does clear.
with the cool hoses.
Sheesh. Yeah, the 12 shit worked though. Alright, gang, just got in my car and realized I left my footwell lights on all night. So that's actually pretty insane. Car started up, as y'all can see. Car started up right away. No issues with power. So it doesn't pull that much power. So yeah, if you got diode dynamics, at least footwell lights, yeah, you can leave them on all night and it won't affect your car that much. I do not recommend doing that. Don't be like me, but yeah, that's good to know, and also kind of scary that I got out of the car and didn't realize I had these on. But it's 48 degrees outside in Chicago, so it's gonna be a good day. If you're from Chicago, I bet you're gonna have your windows cracked today, or at least some people might have them all the way down. I'm gonna just have mine cracked just so I can enjoy some of this warm weather and hear the exhaust notes. But yeah, about to get on road, man. But left my damn lights on. That's crazy. All right, gang. Just wiped down the Q. I had a lot of snow splatter and dust on it, obviously, just from driving on the road, but just wiped down the Q. As you can see, it's shining in the sun. Have not wiped down the wheels yet, but I did the carbon fiber side of the door, mirror caps, windows, pretty much everything. Still have to do the wheels, but got my alcohol. So what I'm gonna use this for, so obviously the C-blade is gonna go here. I'm gonna wipe down the surface and prep it first, make sure it's nice and clean. And then got my hair dryer and or heat gun. And then we got the 3M tape. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is line this whole inner piece of the seat blade with 3M tape. Obviously I'm gonna heat it up first, make sure it's nice and sticky. And then once I'm ready to put it on, I'll heat it up again. Stick it to the car, hold it there for like 5 minutes. And that should do the trick. This is 30 weight. It's the same thing we used on the wing. As you guys can see, have never came off. Also wipe that down. So I'll be using the same thing, so it should be pretty straightforward. So I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Alright, gang, just finished applying 3M all the way from top to bottom on the C-blade. I did do the tips. Hopefully you can see that I did the tips on that side and this side. Also, I tried to cover as much real estate, if you will, of the inner part of the C-blade, just so you have a much contact surface with the car. So now I'm about to go ahead and peel off the red sticker, you know, whatever you call it, heat it up, and then I'm gonna apply it to the car. So I'll keep y'all updated. Alright, gang, that's gonna do it for this one. Sorry that this video was all over the place, but yeah, that's usually how my weekends are. I'm always moving and grooving, got something going on, but we did get accomplished one out of the two things I wanted to get done this weekend. So we did get the C-blades on. So that's how it's looking. Tell me what y'all think in the comments, man. I feel like it definitely makes the back end of the car stand out a little bit more. So inside the C-blades looking, carbon, side skirts, diffusers, C-blades, wing, front lip, shot Jalisco. Use code Frankie's Way at checkout to get some money off. Definitely help out the channel as well. But that's the end of this vlog. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And it's your boy Frankie. I had a Frankie day, did it Frankie's way, and I hope you did the same. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
It's over. I said it's over. I'm getting older. Louis V loafers. I don't do those, bro. I said that's enough, bro. Feel like that's enough.